One of the most important retirement decisions you'll ever make is whether to elect survivor benefits for your spouse. It's not just a paperwork box to check. It directly determines whether your spouse can keep your pension, and even whether they can keep FEHB health insurance after you pass away. Let me tell you about Susan and David. Susan was a career federal employee under FERS. When she retired, she had the option to elect a full survivor benefit, a partial benefit, or none at all. David, her husband, assumed her pension would continue automatically if she passed away. But that's not how it works. Here's the truth. Under FERS, if you don't elect a survivor benefit, your pension stops when you die. That means your spouse gets nothing. No continuing pension and no FEHB health coverage either. So let's break down the options. The full survivor benefit provides your spouse with 50% of your unreduced pension for the rest of their life. To fund that benefit, your pension is reduced by 10%. The partial survivor benefit provides your spouse with 25% of your unreduced pension. That option reduces your pension by 5%. And if you elect no survivor benefit at all, your spouse gets nothing. Not only do they lose the pension, but they also lose eligibility to continue FEHB health insurance. That's why so many retirees regret not electing at least the partial survivor option. There are also rules around life insurance. If you carry FEGLI, you can designate your spouse as the beneficiary. That's separate from the pension survivor benefit, but it can provide additional protection. In Susan's case, she and David sat down and looked at the numbers. Their mortgage was paid off, but David still needed income security and wanted to keep FEHB. Susan chose the full survivor benefit. Yes, her monthly pension was reduced, but it gave David peace of mind that he would have both income and health coverage for life. So here's the key takeaway. Survivor benefits are about protecting your spouse. If you want them to continue FEHB, you must elect a survivor annuity. And the choice you make at retirement is generally permanent. This isn't just a financial decision, it's a family decision. Talk it through, look at your household needs, and don't assume your pension automatically continues. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more federal retirement insights. And visit federalpensionadvisor.com for tools and checklists designed for federal employees.